Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, as you probably figured out by now, I'm trying to set up a database of 3DCoat videos for those that are new to 3DCoat so you can get started and have fun with this amazing program, right? Okay, so next up in the voxel sculpting room, we're going to be looking at the snake brush. So I'm just going to grab a random object here and let's give it some subdivision. I'm going to hit the space bar, go to resample. Let's set this to 150,000. That's fine. Let's click on OK. So I have something to work with, right? Now, the tool we're going to be looking at, it's on the left-hand side. You can either find it here or you can hit spacebar and find it here. Same deal. And what we're going to look at is not this one, the snake brush just right here, but it is, let's go up a little bit. The snake clay brush, this one, right? Now, if we click on this, you'll see that we have some options here. We can change the detail, we can change smoothing, and we can change the sharpness. So let's have a look at each one, right? Let's set the detail quite low. Okay, we're gonna increase our brush size a little bit so we can see what's going on, something like this. We'll give it some strength. And let's just click and pull and see what happens, right? So as you can see, it kind of quits on us quite quickly, right? So what if we add a detail? What if we bump that way up to, let's say, 2 and do the same thing? Pull, and there you go, right? So you can do a lot more than that. A lot more than that. And of course, there's a lot of leeway between one and the other, okay? So let's bring that down a little bit. Let's go to, let's say, somewhere around 1. And you can see it tapers off back here. And what we'll do is we'll leave it at about 1, I would say. That's good for now, right? So 1. Then we have the smoothing option. Okay, let's get that to 0. Let's see what happens. All right, and it looks, as you can see, quite rough. Let's go and bump that way up. The maximum is 1. And you can see that looks a lot nicer, right? Let's get in there. There you go. Okay, so we'll set that about halfway. Let's do 0.5. Okay. Then the sharpness, all right? So let's set that to 0. And it stays the same thickness pretty much, right? Let's bump that up to 1. And tapers off quite quickly. Now, I would say that's quite an important one to work with. So yeah, that's basically all there's to it. And it's up to your imagination what you can do with this. If you are creative, you can make tentacles or whiskers or I don't know what you want to make, right? Anyway, a final thought is that you can use the symmetry setup. So if we hit S for symmetry, you can go in here, you can set that to, for example, radial symmetry. I have that set to 4 right now. So if we get in here and we start to pull, you should see 4 of these, and we do. We got 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there, okay? So yeah, a very cool little tool, and I would say have fun with that, right? If you enjoyed the series, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one, right? Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, thanks for watching, and before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.